So there's this girl named Chi who's like crazy. I'm telling you, like crazy. And when I say crazy, I'm so not exaggerating. Would you like to see? Peace out. A-Town. Who? Go away. Leave me alone. Why are you following me? Never, ever drink Rockstar. Especially 2 hours before bedtime. This is what happens to you. Freaking wired. Can't stop. It's in my veins. And this is what happens after the Rockstar has worn off. Mm.